Brandon's brave. Brain Book Club. Stories start today. Brandon reads aloud. Come learn and play. Join the fun, let's smile away.
Hi everyone, my name is Brandon. Welcome to my Brave Brain Book Club. Today, we are going to read Oopsy the Octopus Says Sorry. Okay. Oopsy the Octopus Says Sorry. Dedication. To every child who's made a mistake, your feelings matter, and so does your repair. Saying sorry can be brave. With love, Brandon and Nessa Raquel. Oopsy the Octopus wiggled with flair, 8 arms and a grin, and bright orange hair. He danced through the reef and loved to explore, but sometimes he squinted too close to the shore. He didn't mean trouble, he just liked to play, but sometimes his oops made some friends swim away. He'd bump into shells or splash into someone's face, then laugh out loud and speed off into space. One day at recess, he twirled through the sand and knocked over a tower built carefully by hand. Kelly the chameleon gasped with a tear. "That was my castle! I worked on it here!" Oopsie throws up. His giggles are gone. He hadn't meant to, but the damage was done. His arms curled inward. He turned kind of blue. "Oh no," he whispered. "What do I do?" Brave Brain appeared with a bubble in tow and nodded at Oopsie. "Are you ready to grow?" "It's okay to mess up," he said with a wink. "What matters is what you do next. Don't shrink." Oopsie peeked out from a seaweedy spot. "I feel kind of yucky, and I twisted a lot," Brave Brain said. "That's your Brave Brain alert. It's showing you care when someone gets hurt. There's a way to fix things. It's called repair. You listen, you care, and show that you are fair." Oopsie swam close and took a deep breath. His tentacles wobbled. He feared Callie's wrath. But Callie looked up with their paint splattered in eyes, and Oopsie said softly, "I want to apologize. I knocked down your castle. I wasn't aware. I'm sorry I laughed. I really do care. I didn't mean to hurt what you made. Would it be help if I helped it get remade?" Callie blinked twice and gave a small smile. "Okay, we can rebuild it, but no squirting wild." So together they stacked and decorated it bright. And now the new castle is glowed in soft light. They laughed, they forgave, and played once again. Even sea friends need time to mend. Now Oopsie still plays with bubbles and flair, but when he makes oopsies, he shows that he cares. He knows that being sorry isn't just a phrase. It's listening, fixing, and changing your ways. So if you splash big or your words sting a bit, it's not bad. It's not a bad friend. Just make time to sit. Say "I'm sorry," then ask what feels fair. That's how we grow, with love, truth, and care. The end. Oopsie's repair toolbox. Take a deep breath and say, "I made a mistake." Listen to how the other person feels. Offer offer to help or fix what happened. Say next time, "I'll," and share your plan. Remind yourself, I can grow and try again. Oopsie's 3 steps to making it right. Apologize. Did I hurt someone or break a rule? Do I feel that twisty oops in my chest? Apologize. Just say what happened. Say you're sorry. Repair. Ask, what can I do to make it better? Sing and dance. Check my chart. Too tired to try, but I showed. Bounce back, Brandon. And the end. So we have those coloring activity pages. So if you want to print them out, it's in the link description below. So this is the Oopsie's repair toolbox, like the same one from before. And you can also print it out in the link below. And look at those cool activities you can do. Isn't it cool? If you think it's cool, then you should like and subscribe to the channel. And that's it. So, thank you for watching Brandon's Bright Brain. If you love the channel, like and subscribe. And hit the bell to not miss any of our new stories. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
You read with your heart, you listened so true. You felt all the feelings, yes, even the blue. Now take what you learned, let it shine through, because your brave brain grows every time you do. Brave brain says you're doing great. Come back anytime.
Oopsy the octopus tried to be cool, but knocked over paints at the art class school. He tripped on a toy, gave a startled yelp, then whispered, "Oops, can I help?" Oops and try again, don't fret. We all make messes, don't forget. Say I'm sorry, soft and true, then see what kindness you can do.
He tugged too quick, he splashed too far. He bumped a buddy with his jelly jar. He frowned and said, "I didn't mean."
But brave brain smiled, calm and clean. Oops and try again, that's right. You can make it kind and light. You don't need to hide or run. Fixing things is brave and fun. You can be loud then soft again, wrong then right, and still a friend. You can fall down then rise with grace. Wipe your tears and clear the space. Now Oopsie's known for trying twice. He checks in gently, he plays real nice. He says I'm sorry, calm and low, and lets his brave brain wisdom show. Oops and try again, you see. It's part of growing naturally. Say, how can I make this right and bring a little more delight? Oops and try again, that's the way to turn a sorry into a brighter day. So next time things go upside down, no need to hide or wear a frown. Be like Oopsie, own your part, and try again with a brave brain heart.
All right, class, clipboards up, markers out. Chart check time.
Pull out my paper, yeah.
Pull out my paper, see the rows and stars. Morning to math, I track my scars. Did I keep cool? Did I raise my hand? Chart tells the truth better than I can. No shame, no blame, just data here. Shows when I rock, it shows when I veer. Brave brain says, look, then learn. Every blank spot's a place to turn.
Check my chart, watch me grow. Box by box, the progress shows. Fill it in, good day, rough start. Either way, I own my heart.
perfect streak, that's okay. Charts are maps, not judgment day. Brave brain winks, reflect and plan. Tomorrow's box, fresh and grand.
Go check my chart, watch me grow. Box by box the progress shows. Fill it in, good day, rough start. Either way I own my heart. Check my chart, sticker shine. Proof that effort's truly mine. From Monday blues to Friday smart, I bounce back strong. Just check my
One short
mark.
bad box, learn and flip. 3 green stars, celebrate it. Here, blank square, set a goal. Eat brain, brain, in control.
My chart, rise and shine. Daily data, growth design. I'm the author, I'm the arc. Brave brain lights my progress spark. Check my chart, let 'em see. Not perfection, honesty. Step by step, box by part, I'm building me. Just check my chart. Just check my chart. Just check my chart.
Chart check, goal set, let's level up tomorrow.
Bad day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've had a few, but Brave Brain said, you're not stuck, you're bouncing back.
Had a rough start, forgot my code. Got mad in math, felt like a goat. Didn't raise my hand, just rolled my eyes. Teacher called my name, I sighed real wide. But brave brain didn't shame or scold, just said, pause your story, still bold. Breathe it out, feel it real, then try again with a heart that heals.
Bounce back, Brandon, shake off the mess. Every bad moment is just a test. Bounce back, Brandon, let it be. Feel it, name it, then set it free. You're not your slip, not your mood, not your fear. Brave Brain's got your back right here. Stormed out, zoned out, said I'm done, but I came back strong. Look, I didn't run, sometimes I fall flat on my face, but now I bounce with a little more grace. Radical acceptance, it is what it is. I don't need perfect, I just need to live. Brave Brain says try again is power, even after your messiest hour. Bounce back, Brandon, shake off the mess. Every bad moment is just a test. Bounce back, Brandon, let it be. Name it, then set it free. You're not your slip, not your mood, not your fear. Brave Brain's got your back right here.
Fall down once, stand up twice. Be kind to yourself, don't roll the dice. Use your words, take that breath. Say this is hard, but it's not the end yet.
Bounce back, Brandon, show that glow, even on days that feel too slow. Bounce back, Brandon, strong and kind, leave the heavy storm behind. You're learning, growing step by step. Brave Brain's walking every rep. I messed up, but I bounce back.
That's how you build a brave brain.